In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a mini lesson recording in Screencastify. Now, this mini lesson I'm going to be using today is in PDF form. It's a Lucy Calkins anchor chart of partners reading, and that is what I want to use. But to start my video, I'm going to need to be in Google Chrome. So here's my Google Chrome browser. And up here in the corner is my Screencastify arrow. When I click on that button, my options are going to pop up. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to give you some choices of where you're going to record. You can record in your browser tab, so that's going to actually record just what you see in your Google Chrome browser. You can do the desktop. That's going to record your entire desktop. Or you can record just a webcam only, which will just show you as you're giving instruction. Then you're going to come down here to microphone and camera, and you'll have some other options. Today, I want to do a desktop recording because I want to be showing the mini lesson PDF that I have of those anchor charts. I want to make sure that my microphone is on and also my embedded webcam is on. So those are both on. I'm going to show some more options here. I like to set it for 10 seconds as the countdown. That gives me a little bit of time to get things situated prior to recording starting, even though you can trim the beginning of your video once it is made. And the drawing tools are on as well. I might want to use some of those to highlight things during my mini lesson on the PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record. You'll see my webcam pop up and also some choices. So I want to record the entire screen here. So I'm going to record the entire screen, or you could do the application window. Now, if you do the application window, your webcam might not pop up in the corner. So I want to keep it just like this, do the entire screen. I'm going to highlight that, have the blue box around it, and then I'm going to hit share. That will actually start the countdown and for the recording. What I'm going to do is go ahead and bring my browser down out of the way so I can adjust where I want to be. I'm going to be up here in the corner of the mini lesson, giving my instruction, giving the mini lesson for readers read with a partner. So I can go ahead and go through that. Readers read with a partner. Make sure that you're on the PDF to click to move. Readers read with a partner. Readers sit side by side. Readers put one book in the middle. Readers seesaw read. So I'm going to then click down here at the bottom, stop sharing. That's going to end my Screencastify recording, and it will show up here. Now I'm here in the browser. I have the video that I just made, and I'm going to come up here. I'm going to retitle this. I'm going to title it Readers Read with a Partner mini lesson. And then I want to trim out some of that portion of it that really was not the mini lesson. It was just me getting ready and doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause it down here at the bottom. I'm going to find where I want that to start. So here I've gotten myself positioned up in the corner. I think that's about right. What I want to do is click on this pair of scissors over here at the left. Right here. That's going to darken everything else out, and it actually allows me to pull those scissors to about where I want to be. So once I see myself go up in the corner, giving my instruction, I can pull it a little bit more. Giving a mini lesson for readers with a partner. So I can go ahead and go through that. Readers read. So I can go ahead and go that readers read with a partner. I'm going to pause it there. Then I can pull it over here at the end. I know that there was a little extra when I was giving the instructions, and I'm going to pull it there, and I'm going to save that trim. So now my extra portion of the video is not included. It's going to be just the meat of the mini lesson. Now there are additional things you can do if you have
read with a partner.
There are additional things that you can do if you have the Screencastify Unlimited, which I do. You can open that in Editor. You can crop around some of the things. But in the free version of Screencastify, this is where you're going to stop. This is all the editing that you can do without getting that additional subscription. But then you can share it. You can get the embedded code. You could publish it to YouTube. You could upload it to Edpuzzle and do that, and then upload your Edpuzzle in and embed it into Canvas as well. So lots of options to do with Screencastify. This will give you just the basics on how to do a recording.